Ear cleaning, though seemingly mundane, can trigger a surprising neurological response that makes the habit addictive. When the ear canal is stimulated, whether by cotton swabs, fingers, or other tools, the body releases endorphins, natural chemicals that produce a sense of pleasure. This occurs because the ear is densely packed with nerve endings, particularly those connected to the vagus nerve, which plays a role in relaxation and mood regulation. Repeated stimulation reinforces this pleasurable feedback loop, encouraging the brain to crave more. Dopamine, another neurotransmitter linked to reward and motivation, further strengthens this cycle, making the behavior feel satisfying and even necessary. However, over-cleaning poses serious risks. Frequent or aggressive cleaning can damage the delicate skin of the ear canal, leading to irritation, infections, or even perforated eardrums. Ironically, the more one cleans, the more the body may produce earwax as a protective response, creating a vicious cycle. Moderation is key. Experts recommend limiting cleaning to the outer ear and avoiding inserting objects deep into the canal. Recognizing the difference between necessary hygiene and compulsive behavior is crucial to maintaining ear health, while still enjoying the occasional, safe moment of relaxation from gentle stimulation. The sensation of ear cleaning often feels deeply satisfying because of the vagus nerve, a major nerve pathway that runs close to the ear canal and connects directly to the brain's pleasure centers. When stimulated, this nerve triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, creating a sense of relaxation or even euphoria. This is why many people find ear cleaning or gentle ear stimulation so pleasurable, almost like a form of self-soothing. The ear's nerve-rich structure makes it particularly sensitive to touch, amplifying these pleasurable signals and reinforcing the urge to repeat the behavior. Psychologically, the act of ear cleaning can also provide comfort, much like scratching an itch or a gentle massage. It can become a calming ritual, especially during moments of stress or boredom. However, this can also lead to compulsive behavior, where the line between necessary hygiene and excessive cleaning blurs. The brain begins to associate the act with relief, making it hard to resist the urge even when it's no longer needed. Over time, this can escalate into an unhealthy habit, where the temporary pleasure overrides awareness of potential harm. Understanding this connection between the ear's anatomy and the brain's reward system is crucial. While the stimulation itself isn't harmful in moderation, recognizing the potential for compulsive behavior helps people stay mindful of their habits. Being aware of why ear cleaning feels so rewarding allows individuals to enjoy the sensation safely without crossing into overstimulation or risking damage to their ears. Techniques like ear massage or warm compresses can offer similar relaxation benefits without the dangers of over-cleaning. Ear cleaning addiction can lead to serious consequences if not managed properly. One of the safest ways to clean the ears is by using soft tools, such as silicone-tipped devices designed specifically for ear care, or relying on professional cleaning services. Unlike cotton swabs, which can push wax deeper into the ear canal and cause blockages or injuries, these tools minimize the risk of damage. Professional ear cleaning by an audiologist or healthcare provider ensures thorough and safe removal of excess wax, reducing the temptation for excessive at-home cleaning. For those who find pleasure in the act of ear stimulation, alternatives like ear massage or applying a warm compress can offer similar soothing effects without the risks. Gently massaging the outer ear can stimulate blood flow and provide a calming sensation, while a warm compress can ease tension and mimic the comfort of cleaning. Mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing or focusing on other sensory experiences, can also help redirect the urge to over-clean. Recognizing the psychological drivers behind the addiction, such as stress relief or habit, can empower individuals to adopt healthier practices. By combining safe methods with mindful awareness, it's possible to enjoy ear care without compromising ear health.